Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lützen. I'm a Scrum Master and Agile Coach. Today I'll share another exercise for retrospectives that I think is a really good way to get some learnings in a coaching manner. If you like these videos, please subscribe and share. Some time ago I was introduced to the Oscar model by Roy Marriott, and I've made a previous video about this that I'll link to in the description. Now I'm starting to use it in a retrospective context. So this one revolves around making a scale of where are we at the moment, how can we make this next step to become even better. And this can be used in many things and in many situations. So if we're just wanting to see the overall team, or if we want to dive into specific areas of how we work as a team, this can be easily adapted to that scenario. The idea is introduce this scale. So let's say we're just in an overall mode right now. 0 is that we're actually not a team. We don't like each other and we're only working together because we are forced to. And 10 would then be that we are the best team ever seen. High performance team isn't even enough to describe the level of commitment and output that we can make. So we are really the A team. Then have them reflect in silence and individually where would they rank us right now, and have them to put it on a post-it. And then have them present. So I think that our team is a 4 right now, because I think we could maybe improve on the way that we prepare our meetings and how we refine our backlog. And then the next person might say that I think we are 5 and come with the argumentation and why is this the case, and one might say it's a 7. Next thing we're going to do is then how can we improve this? How can we make this baby step to 4.1 or 5.1 or 7.1? And the idea here is not to make a big leap. This is just to make a small increment. And this is where you could maybe use 15% solutions. This is something that the team should be able to do without the extra money or extra resources. And then pose this question. Again, give them some time to reflect and then have them prepare and present what they have thought of. So in order for us to make this a 5.1, we need to start to do this and that and so on. In order to make this a 4.1, we need to make this and that to become better. And the same with the 7. Then what we can do is have a constructive dialogue around these actions that we have identified. Take another round. If another person, I just had this brilliant idea to add something, then add that. Make sure that we all the time focus on how can we recognize a good solution? How can we recognize that this has actually improved and build from there? So a sign that we are on 4.1 would be that we don't spend time in planning to do X, Y, and Z, for instance. Okay, then what needs to happen in order to do this? And then we can just take it that way around instead, and it's awesome, believe me. I'm really looking forward to hear your comments and questions on how you use similar techniques like this. And as always, comments, questions, ideas and feedback are more than welcome. Have a nice day.